Welcome to Sri Lanka's newest airport, the Hambantota International Airport, located on the southern tip of Sri Lanka. The entire airport, buildings, roads and runway are constructed by China Harbour Engineering Company, a subsidiary of China Communications Construction Company. Approaching the front canopy, passengers and visitors will notice the pleasant blend of modern and historic Sri Lankan architecture, as well as a mural wall. Passengers then enter the pleasant, air-conditioned, high-ceilinged entrance security area. Passengers will continue outdoors under a colonnade through a landscape garden that is representative of the jungle habitat with rich plants of Sri Lanka. It is also proposed to have wildlife like elephants and peacocks in this area, a truly unique experience. Passengers will then enter the public concourse with a warm, home-like atmosphere. With concessions, it's a wonderful place to wait for a flight or wait for arriving friends and loved ones. An adjoining courtyard will have a plaza outdoor dining area, pools, fountains, and a landscape garden with a view of the airside. From the public concourse, passengers will enter the modern airside terminal building. International passengers will pass through customs and enter the check-in hall, infused with Sri Lankan culture and style. Passengers then proceed up escalators to the departure level. Here they will pass through immigrations and security and enter directly into the duty-free shopping area. The duty-free stores are integrated into both ends of the concourse, and passengers will be able to shop and dine until just before flights. The duty-free areas and departure lounges are tall ceiling spaces with a beautiful balcony overlooking the courtyard. Remote gate passengers and contact gate passengers, having dwelled in the same holdroom area, at boarding time will cross boarding bridges to a waiting aircraft or proceed down to the hardstand bus pickup area. International passengers arriving in Hambantota will enter the airside terminal building through airside jet bridges or through the hardstand bus drop-off. After immigrations, passengers enter the tall, open backlane hall surrounded by duty-free concessions. Passengers will then clear customs and proceed to the public concourse to be met by friends and family. VIP passengers will be able to drive directly to the airside terminal. Inside, there are two comfortable lounge areas, computer workstations, a buffet bar, and a large executive conference room. After passing through security, just before boarding, VIP passengers will take airside limousines directly to the aircraft and depart. VIP passengers arriving in Hambantota will exit aircraft and take secure airside limousines to the VIP drop-off at the airside terminal building area next to baggage claim hall. VIPs will then proceed to the VIP arrival lounge for processing, or they can go shop at the arrival duty-free stores. Baggage will be delivered to the VIP lounge, and VIP passengers can then proceed directly to the VIP pickup area for car service. Now let's look at the architectural plans and see how the passenger flow works. The airport will be like a small village in Sri Lanka that consists of a fire and rescue station with the most modern airfield firefighting and rescue equipment, a modern air cargo facility with apron connection, and a modern state-of-the-art air traffic control tower with offices and a meteorological building. The 40-meter ATCT will become an architectural landmark for the airport. The shape and massing of the tower reflects a lotus flower. In the near future, the new Hambantota International Airport has also been designed to expand to include 2 concourses and over 14 gates. As you can see, HIA will be a wonderful gateway into Sri Lanka, a gateway built by China Harbour Engineering Company that will encourage and enable millions to experience the magic that is Sri Lanka.